In this video, we will demonstrate how to swab a surface utilizing a 3M Clean Trace Surface ATP test that will be analyzed with the 3M Clean Trace Hygiene Monitor LM1 luminometer. Begin by removing one 3M Clean Trace Surface ATP device from the foil pouch. Devices should be at room temperature for at least 10 minutes before use. After removal, reseal the pouch. Swab the test area in one direction while applying consistent pressure and rotating the swab. Then swab the area again in the opposite direction. Reinsert the swab into the 3M Clean Trace Surface ATP device and activate it by shaking the device side to side for about 5 seconds to mix the sample with the reagent. Immediately insert the activated device into the 3M Clean Trace luminometer and take the measurement. In about 7 seconds, the RLU number and pass, caution, or fail status will appear. Pass, caution, or fail results are defined during setup of the 3M Clean Trace Hygiene Monitoring and Management System in your facility. Reach out to your 3M Food Safety representative for additional information to establish pass-fail limits. Some other things to remember. First, do not touch the swab shaft when collecting a sample, as it can contaminate the swab test device. Second, do not collect a sample with the tip of the swab. Just apply consistent pressure as the sample is collected to ensure repeatable and effective sampling. Third, after the reading is displayed, be sure to remove the swab device from the 3M Clean Trace luminometer to avoid leakage. When it's more convenient to read the device later, label it before use. Then swab the area and reinsert the swab in the 3M Clean Trace Surface ATP device. Do not activate it, but do store it in the pouch. The unactivated swab can be stored in the pouch for up to 4 hours before activation in the 3M Clean Trace luminometer. When swabbing irregular surfaces like these found in food service locations, remove the swab from the 3M Clean Trace Surface ATP device. Survey the area with the swab, applying consistent pressure and rotating the swab as the sample is collected, to ensure repeatable and effective measurements. Cover an appropriate area to ensure adequate collection of the sample. Reinsert the swab into the 3M Clean Trace Surface ATP test device. Activate it by pushing down firmly on top of the sample stick and shaking the device side to side for about 5 seconds to mix the sample with the reagent. Visit 3m.com/foodsafety/cleantrace for other videos, answers to frequently asked questions, and additional resources.